friends, how are you? Welcome to Network Update. My name is Sabir and this video I showing you how to bootable pendrive, and this bootable pendrive you can use set up your Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7. Okay guys, let's see my video.
First, I need to download ISO. I chosen this site, and this site I download for ISO, and this site name is windowsiso.net. You can from here download ISO, and I downloaded ISO from here. I chosen Windows 10 and downloaded English and 64-bit. I've already downloaded Windows 10 ISO. Now I doing mount, right click and mount. Okay, now I doing boot my pendrive. First I open cmd, search in cmd and run as administrator. Yes, now I type disk space part, diskpart, no space. Okay, now I type listix, list space disk, press enter, and this is my pendrive. Now I select pendrive, SLECT disk1. I will keep in all command in description box, then type clean, CLEAN. I copy and paste clean. Okay, success. Now I create partition primary. Okay, and press enter, and it's success. And now select partition on, select partition on. Yes, it's done. And type active, ACTIVE. Okay, now I doing format, and I choose file system ntfs. If you want, you can choose FAT32. Wait, sometimes. Yes, now type SN, SSICN. Okay, now exit, EXIT. Okay friends, my pendrive completed booted. Now I copy my mounted ISO and paste in my pendrive. Okay friends, I think it will be working, and it's needed some minutes.
Okay friends, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you for watching my video.